The former public protector, Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane, made headlines with her unexpected announcement of resigning from the Economic Freedom Fighters, a party she had joined not so long ago. Speaking on the popular SMWX podcast hosted by Sizwe Walsh, Mkhwebane cited the underutilization of her skills and expertise within the party as the primary reason for her departure. Despite her resignation, Mkhwebane expressed a deep affection to the EFF, acknowledging her admiration for the party's values. However, she emphasized that her role did not allow her to fully contribute in ways she had hoped, and said she loves the EFF. It's still a political home. Mkhwebane revealed that the MK Party, a party that was formed by the former President Jacob Zuma, Umkhonto we Sizwe Party, had been courting her to join its ranks, though she remains undecided. She noted that she is carefully considering her next move and weighing her options. She also posted her resignation letter on her Twitter account. The letter reads as follows: To the Economic Freedom Fighters, CIC, Julius Silo Malema, EFF Top 6, EFF Provincial and Regional Officials, Commissars and fighters, the past 7 years have made me realize that our fight for freedom was in vain. There has never been a time when I felt my rights were violated as it has been done in the years I was the South African Public Protector. This continued even after I was unconstitutionally removed by the Parliament and the President of South Africa, Cyril Ramaphosa. I have encountered challenges and felt let down by the current South African judiciary, Parliament, executive, and more especially the mainstream media, who seem to have been tasked to target and attack my character. Each step seemed more daunting than the last, and I found my strength dwindling. This is exactly what they wanted, to suffocate, humiliate, and treat me less of a human being. My sin was investigating the CIX SARB report, CR17 donations, and Palapala. My sin was delivering reports and findings against certain individuals who were offended and felt I needed to be dealt with harshly. My family was attacked. My mother, who later passed away, never knew peace after journalists harassed her. I survived many attempts where there were plans to take my life. Today I'm saying goodbye to you fighters. After careful consideration and talking to my family, they advised and felt I needed to go away, spend time with them, rest, and continue to fight for the vulnerable where possible. In my time of need, you fighters extended a helping hand, becoming a refuge for me over the past 12 months. Your unwavering support has been a beacon of hope, and for that, I'm deeply grateful. Now it is time for me to focus on spending cherished moments with my family. Thank you for standing by me. With a heartfelt appreciation, until we meet again, a luta continua, Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.